Fitness is not a destination, it is a way of life.
Yes, my dear, fitness is not just a word, but a necessary condition for a healthy and prosperous life.
Fit India means moving the nation towards fitness.
And a healthy man means a healthy family, which ultimately leads to a healthy society. This is the only way to New India.
Yes, it's a great step towards healthy India. So good morning everyone. Welcome to all in today's Fit India School Week inauguration ceremony of St. Jude's Convent School, Nakodar. I heartily welcome our school management, LMC members, our coordinators and all my dear colleagues on this auspicious occasion of Fit India School Week 2020. Now, the Chief Coordinator, Mrs. Sonia Sharma, is with us to explain the activities of Fit India School Week 2020.
Welcome to all. In Fit India School Week celebration, Fit India movement was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister on 29th August 2019 nationwide on National Sports Day. It aimed to encourage people to inculcate physical activity and sports in their everyday life and daily activity. As you know, school is the first place where habits are formed. So this Fit India movement is the medium to encourage children to take an active part in fitness and physical activities during their school hours. So it will surely increase their self-confidence and self-esteem, keeping all these objectives in mind under the guidelines that have been provided by the Council. We Julians also have taken an initiative to take part in the virtual celebration of Fit India School celebration from 7th to 13th of December. So let's all be a part of these rocking moments in order to become physically and mentally fit. Best wishes to all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. As we all know, light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity, as the sunlight expels the darkness of night. Similarly, the blessing brings happiness and prosperity in our lives. So, to make this great event of Fit India School Week blessed one, let us invoke the Almighty by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. And for this great ceremony, I would like to invite our worthy principal, Sister Divya, our LMC members, Mr. Raman Kochar, Mr. Kamal, Mrs. Jyoti Bala, and our coordinators, Mrs. Sonia, Mrs. Garima, Mrs. Madhubala, Mr. Mangatrai sir, Mr. Tarun, and student representative to kindle the lamp.
Thank you everyone. Let the light of the ray rise in our heart. Let the joy of the morning be seen in your smile. And God's graces be yours today and every day. So let's start our today's event with the name of Almighty God.
I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. Let thy eyes rest upon my eyes forever. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. Let me take to my work the assurance of the comradeship, my friends. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. Fill my mind with the music to last the desert of noise. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. Before I begin my day.
Now, our dear principal, Reverend Sister Divya, will encourage and motivate to us.
Good morning, everyone. At this time of crisis, we have to make some choices. How do we utilize this downtime? If during this downtime period, we do not come out upskilled, or if we do not come out more knowledgeable, healthier and fitter, then it is not because we lack time, but we lack self-discipline and commitment. In an attempt to promote fitness among school children, the council-affiliated schools have been actively participating in various Fit India Movement programs organized by the Sports Authority of India in collaboration with Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination. Ever since COVID-19 hit us like a tsunami in March 2020, all of us have been passing through very tough, challenging times. The pandemic is still strong on, and we are unable to reopen schools and continue normal routine life. Fit India School Week was first celebrated last year in November with an aim to create awareness and circulate the message of Fit India movement through schools. Unfortunately, we will not able to hold our Fit India School Week this year in the school. However, since most of us have taken on the challenge with courage and moved on to the virtual platform, the Fit India School Week 2020 is scheduled for Monday 7th December 2022, 13th December 2020 with various activities. The prime objective of the Fit India School Week 2020 is to encourage people to remain healthy and fit by including physical activities and sports in their daily lives. Today, I would like to congratulate all the students, those who are actively participating in the activities of Fit India campaign. Before we begin this event, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you, dear parents, who allowed your child to partaking the Fit India School Week 2020. My dear colleagues and local managing committee members, you are sincerely committed to this event to make it a success. This event would have been impossible without the support of each and every one of you. On behalf of the management and the members of the St. Jude Convent School, Nakodar, I warmly welcome you to Fit India School Week 2020. And now, I declared Fit India School Week 2020 open.
Thank you so much, sister. We feel really privileged to have your supervision and backing with all the time possible. Thank you so much.
Now, I would like to invite our LMC member, Mr. Raman Kochar, to inspire us with motivational words.
Honorable Director, Father Davis Elapat, Sir Principal Sister Divya, and respected staff members. We are really blessed to have such a devoted and dedicated leadership who have been providing their invaluable services with missionary zeal and spirit. Fit India movement is a national movement, the aim of which is to make Indians physically fit, as only physically fit person is the real wealth of the country. Whereas a sick person is always entangled in his own problems. The Fit India movement was started by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on 29th August 2019 on the eve of India Sports Day. Under this movement, the aim is to make every citizen fit and fine through physical exercises, sports, Indian rural games, yoga, essay competition, etc. Actually, health is our biggest priority. As it is said, health is wealth. This is very mandatory to spare time every morning and evening for the physical fitness. We should do whatever game or physical exercise we like. If we have a fit body, only then we can think fine. As it is said, a sound mind lives in a sound body. So let us join together to make this movement successful, as the country will progress only if its citizens are fit physically. We will not have to visit doctors. Thus we can defeat Corona also. So in the end, in a nutshell, I sum up my lines by saying the one who is fit is always hit. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to invite our local managing committee member, Mrs. Jyoti Bala, to say some inspirational words.
ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਐਵਰੀਬਾਡੀ। ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸੇਂਟ ਜੂਨ ਕਨਵੈਂਟ ਸਕੂਲ ਨਕੋਦਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਟ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਸਕੂਲ ਵੀਕ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਈ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਅਤੇ ਮੈਂਟਲੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਕਰਵਾਈਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਹਨ। ਮੈਂ ਸੇਂਟ ਜੂਨ ਕਨਵੈਂਟ ਸਕੂਲ ਨਕੋਦਰ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਇਸ ਉਪਰਾਲੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
Thank you, ma'am. So, dear friends, today is your day to start fresh, to eat right, to train hard, to live healthy, and to be proud.
Yes, we should think positive, exercise daily, eat healthy, work hard, stay strong, worry less, dance more, love often to be happy. So with this, take care of your body because it's the only place you have to live in.
Thank you, Divya ma'am. A good event never ends. A good event never ends in the world. They take only a pause and keep us awaiting for the next. So, now at the end, it's time to tribute our country by saying the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adinayaka